Good morning, class. In today's lecture, we will study about the Python. And in this lecture, we will discuss about some of the basic commands that we use in Python. So let us first understand that what is Python. Python is an open source interpretive high-level language. It's an open source language and it is an interpreted language. It provides the great functionality to deal with maths, statistics, and the scientific functions. As we can see that Python provides many libraries, for example, NumPy, Pandas, by the help of which we can work on the data frames and data sets. It also provides the great libraries to deal with the data science application. As in many of the data science application, NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, and many more libraries are used. So Python provide all that libraries with great functionality. So first of all, we will understand about the Python syntax. The Python syntax is simple. For printing anything, we use the print command, and within this round brackets, we give the statement under the double quotes or single quotes to be printed. For example, in this, we have given this, and when we run this line, it will print the hello world. In this lecture, I am using the Jupyter Notebook for running and for the Python commands. Jupyter Notebook comes under the Anaconda package. From there, you can launch this package. And after that, the cells are given and you run this by clicking on this run button. Similarly, we can take some more example. Print the statement. This is in the single quotes. So as you can see, you can give the string within the single quotes or within the double quotes or within the triple quotes also. All these are valid statements or syntax in Python. So this is a simple syntax for printing anything in Python. Next we come to the comments. In comments, for making any comment, we just give a hashtag symbol, and after that we can give any or we can write anything so that it can become a comment. So as you can see as an example, I have used the hashtag in this line. So and simple print function in the second line. So when I'm running this, the first statement which contains the hashtag does not print it because it is a comment, and without hashtag, the print function has given the line or printed the line. So in this way, we can pass the comments in Python. Next, we come to the Python variables. What are variables? As we know that variables are the containers for storing any data value. So for storing any of the data, we use variables, and for creating the variables in Python, we does not need to declare a variable. As we were doing in C++ and other languages, we are declaring the variable, we are providing it as data type, and then we assign the value. So in this Python, you don't have to declare a variable or to use the data type. A variable is created the moment you first assign a value. So as soon as you give any value to any variable, it's assigned to itself at that moment. You does not have to assign any data type to it. And the variable names in Python are case sensitive. As you can see in the example, I have taken one variable that is a, and after that equals to, that is the assigning operator, and given 10. So in this, I have assigned value 10 to variable a, and in this I did not use any data type, for example int, as we know that 10 is in this is an integer, so I do not give any type of data type in this. Similarly, in v variable I have stored the string within the quotes, but I did not provide it the data type that it is a string. And after that I have printed it, print function, and within the round brackets I have given the variable a that is to be printed. Similarly, print b function. When I run this command, the syntax 10 is printed and name is printed. Variables do not need to be declared with any particular type, as we have seen that we do not need to give the data type of the variables. And also we can change the type after they have been set. We can learn this by example, as you can see that first I have taken a variable that is C, and then the assigning operator equals to, and passed a value that is a string ABC within the double quote. So in this first, I have given the string as a data. And after that, in the next line, I have passed C equals to 5, means I have given the numeric data type to the variable C. And when I print the C function, when I run this, it will print 5. It means that first I have given the string function, and after that I have provided the numeric type. So it will take the numeric data because I have given it afterwards. It means it overwrites the previous data, and also it has changed the data type as soon as the numeric data type is given to it. So next we come to the type function. Type function is used to get the data type of a variable. Suppose you don't know that what type of data is stored in any of the variable, and need to know the type of it. So for example, in this I have given a equals to 10, means numeric data. So in this, we have given in the B equals to name. So in A, I have given the 10, that is numeric data, and in B, I have provided the string data. So for finding the type of data type, I have used the print command, and under the print command, I have given the type command, and in this, I have passed. So I have given the print command up. In this, I have given the type command, under which I have passed the variables A and B. So as soon as I run this, it will show that the type of A is int, class int, it belongs to class int, and the type of B, that is, it belongs to class string. Next, we come to assign multiple values. In Python, we can assign multiple values, assign the values to multiple variables within a single line. As in the example, you can see that A1, B1, and C1, I have taken the 3 variables, and the values are given as learn, Python, and basics. And when I print A1, B1, and C1, it prints in the next different line, means it's assigned learn to A1 and Python to B1 and basics to C1 respectively. So in this way, you can assign different values to in a single line. In the next class, we will learn about some more basic functions which are used in Python. Thank you.